Hello friends, welcome to the Techie Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about KDE Slimbook V. So friends, the Spanish tech company specializes in Linux-loaded laptops and notebooks. Their KDE 5 collaborative variant seems to be offshoot of an already released Slimbook Excalibur model bearing a full refined aluminum chassis, and the KDE Slimbook 5 is hype as offering outstanding performance, slender laptop that packs a punch, and friend. At the heart of this latent KDE Slimbook with the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, one of the most powerful CPUs for portable computers in the range, and friend, with its 8 ports and 16 threads, it can run your while office from home and on the go, render 3D animations and compile your code and serves up entertainment for your downtime. And friend, the Slimbook Manjaro gaming oriented laptop was released last week, and friend, an earlier hero version sets the same specification sheet. Notable part include an earlier hero version sets the specification sheet. Notable part include an Intel Core i7 13620H CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 mobile GPU. The Slimbook and Manjaro partnership provides an almost wow Steam Deck SQ user experience, albeit in non-handheld from with support for Stream, Heroic Games Launcher, Proton Ubiquiti, QBS, and Lutris platforms. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.